Hello students, today I am going to discuss some problem. Suppose this is my left hand side, sin 10 degree, sin 30 degree, sin 50 degree, sin 70 degree. Sin 30 degree, I know that the value is 1 by 2, so I have just written 1 by 2 in place of sin 30 degree. Then the rest of the things, sin 50 degree, sin 10 degree, sin 70 degree, I am just going to make pair 50 degree and 10 degree, and I have written 50 degree first because there is a formula of 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A sin B. There is a formula I have already given. 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A sin B is cos of A minus B, is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So cos of A minus B, that means first angle minus second angle. So that's why I'm taking the large angle first, because A minus B here should a positive angle should come. But you can take uh, first sin 10 degree and 50 degree. Only one change will come, that there would be uh, when you are doing uh, 2 sin A sin B cos of A minus B, and A minus B means 50 minus 10, there would be 40 degree. This should be 40. uh, okay, pen is not working little bit, so not little bit is not working. So it would be 40. Okay, just take it 40, just take it 40, because 50 minus 10 is 40. And suppose in case it is 10 minus 50, then minus 40 will come, and sine of minus 40 would be minus sine 40. So no. Okay, everything is correct. This should not be 50. 40 is coming over here. I have applied 2 sin A sin B formula over here. Okay, actually, okay, I was thinking that I have applied formula 2 sin A sin B over here. No, now I will apply the formula. Uh, I'm just repeating that what I am saying, that sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, then sin 50, sin 10 degree, and sin 70 degree. Then I'm just going to apply formula 2 sin A sin B. For that I have to multiply by 2, and because I am multiplying, then I have to divide it by as well as, right? So it will become 1 by 4, and 2 sin A sin B I am applying formula cos of A minus B and minus cos of A plus B. So cos of A minus B, 50 minus 10, 40. Okay, if suppose I am keeping it first sin 10 degree and sin 50 degree, only one change would have come, that cos of minus 40 degree, and cos of minus 40 degree is again cos 40 degree. So there is no problem. Okay, but generally it is suggested that take big angle, the greater angle first. Otherwise doesn't matter that if you take the bigger one or the lesser one first. So 2 sin A sin B is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Again you are seeing that cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. So now I am just multiplying it, that 1 by 4 cos 40 into sin 70 minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 8 sin 70. And again I am just going to applying the formula, divided by 2 and multiply by 2, so that this form will become 2 sin A cos B. The formula I have already given, in the assignment, that 2 sin A cos B, 2 sin A cos B, the formula is what? 2 sin A cos B, the formula is sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. 2 sin A cos B, 2 sin A into cos B, 2 sin A into cos B, the formula is of sin of A plus B, that means summation of the angle and subtraction of the angle. Okay, sin 110, sin 30 degree, again sin 30 degree will be 1 by 2. And 70 degree I have written 180 minus 110 degree, and I will apply the formula sin pi minus theta. Sin pi minus theta is sin theta. Sin pi minus theta is sin theta. And now you can see that minus 1 by 8 sin 110 degree and plus 1 by 8 sin 110 degree will get cancelled. Sin 30 will be 1 by 2, and 1 by 8 into 1 by 2 is becoming 1 by 16. And that is the right hand side. Okay. My pen just stopped working, and currently I am just making video, so I cannot leave this thing, so that's why I couldn't written that right hand side. Okay, but it is right hand side. So the important thing is that whenever you are dealing with the this kind of questions, multiplications questions, these are important question for examination point of view as well as. Then every time you have to take a pair to apply the formula 2 sin a sin b, sometimes 2 sin a cos b, sometimes 2 cos a sin b, sometimes 2 cos a cos b. That formula I have already given. Okay, so now I'm just going to take another problem. This problem, the problem was that the left hand side was cos a minus cos 3a and sin 3a minus sin a. Okay, and cos c minus cos d, here I have written the formula that cos c minus cos d, uh, uh, the cos c minus cos d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. C minus d, sorry, c plus d and d minus c, d minus c. And this formula you have to take care about that. Okay, uh, if it is written that sin c minus sin d, then 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. Okay, cos c minus sin c minus sin d is 2 or twice cos c plus d by 2 and c minus d by 2. That means summation of half of the summation of angle and uh, half of the difference of the angle. Okay, half of the sum of the angle and half of the difference of the angle. So this is the important thing, right? Okay, and now cos a cos a minus cos 3a, cos a minus cos 3a, the formula is that and cos a minus cos 3a is 2, the formula is 2 sum of the angle divided by 2 sum of the angle, that means a plus 3a divided by 2 and uh, d minus c, 3a minus a divided by 2. Okay, and sin c minus sin d, this formula I have applied, cos summation of angle divided by 2 and sin difference of angle divided by 2. So cos c minus cos d, cos c minus cos d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2, c plus d by 2, c plus d, a plus 3a divided by 2 and uh, d minus c, 3a minus a divided by 2, sin c minus sin d, twice cos c plus d divided by 2 and sin c minus d, that means difference of the angle 3a minus a divided by 2. You can see over here 4a divided by 2 will be 2a and 3 minus a is 2a, 2a upon 2 is a and cos 2a and 3a minus a, okay, this will be sin a. So you can see that this is getting cancelled and sin 2 upon cos 2a is becoming tan 2a. Okay, so this is the right hand side. Okay, thank you.